let's just take it through its sequence. This is what I would have expected, the ink light. I expect it to come across now to the black, to the yellow, magenta and cyan, and they'll park up, which it's done. Now, what we will want you to do is put in the cyan cartridge and hit the dustbin icon. Black, yellow, magenta, and this time it's accepted the cyan. Well, for now it has. So now we're going to pop in the magenta cartridge. And it will stay part of, just tell us it's got an issue by lighting up, and it's done that. Not yet, it hasn't. Yes, it has. So we press that button again. Black, yellow, and it seems to have registered the magenta and the cyan. So now let's put our friendly yellow in, and we expect it to park over and it just to give us a solid ink light. And it didn't let us down, so let's just, hopefully we're going to take it through one more time. And it's saying the black one's an issue. Pop the black in, hit our friend the dustbin icon, and what we don't want is it to stop and give us a, oh, we're away. What that's now doing is registering. We want no lights on and we want a solid light. And that's exactly what we've got. And that is how you initialize the refillable cartridges on a WF 2110.